Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another tutorial on how to change Instagram username. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, I want you to tap on Instagram app, and once your Instagram app is open, I want you to tap on this profile icon right on the bottom right side. Tap here, and once your profile page is loaded, tap on edit profile. Now you see this is your current username, which is Alex Russo 123456. This is what in my Instagram username is. I don't know about yours. So to change the Instagram username, all you have to do is tap here on the username and go and type the backspace, delete all the username. Okay, and now you can type in the new username that you want to keep. For example, I'm just gonna type in Ivy Russo 12. All right, once you have typed in the name that you want to keep, tap on right here on the tick button right on the top right side corner. Tap here. Okay, so now you see there's a green tick. Now again tap on the blue tick on the top corner right side. Tap here. So now the username is changed, which is, you can see the username is Ivy Russo 12 on the top, on the top left hand side. So guys, this is how you do it. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share, subscribe. Bye guys, see you in my next video.